Hi. So I'm in my garage and I want to test if I know the distance of pressing the control and not stopping walking on at the same level, and if I can get through the garage or go smack into it. Let's see. I'm not explaining myself. What I mean is this. So I think if I walk from this point, well, I guess I have to go from the straight, right? So straight on. From here, all the way straight at the same speed, then I will go straight through without hitting the garage door. Let's see if I don't die. I get my face bashed in. Here we go. Ready? Just get myself ready. Okay. Okay, here's the control in my hand. And go. I totally did it. That was pretty cool. What if I go a little bit soon? Shall I try it? Come on, close. Shall I try it again, or do I take that as a win? I want to try one more thing. Close. Close. Here. I'm going to try a little bit closer. How much closer was I here? Okay. There we go.